We're going to make fish and chips. We went to the market and we bought some fish and we bought some papas, some potatoes. So we're going to make some fish and chips.
Pescaditos.
So this building is like a big indoor marketplace where they have lots of individual vendors like fried chicken and butchers and candy stores, fruit vendors. So we're buying some boneless fish here.
¿No tiene espinas? Ese que tocó, ¿qué vale el kilo de ese?
Tengo tilapia, sin espina, igual mi amor, vean por si dale para acá.
Grandes son mejor.
Sí, para lo que vas a hacer es mejor la grande.
¿Para cuánto?
¿Ah?
Un kilo más, bueno, lo que me gusta y todo.
¿Tenés mi leche? ¿Te gustan así?
Sí.
Ahí más me gusta.
Sí. Sí.
¿Más o está bien?
Está bien.
Vale. Cebolla. ¿Necesitas allá más cebolla?
Sí.
900 el kilo. ¿Me gusta ya un poquito ahí la que me gusta?
Can you pull this one on?
Está duro. Digo que solo así porque allá voy a ir a... Solamente así voy a ir.
2125.
¿Todo? Después.
¿Qué?
¿Es así? Sí. ¿Quiere decirle de amor?
No. Para que se conserven a veces el título.
¿Es así?
Y esta reina.
Gracias.
So my job is to make the chips. So I am going to slice up some potatoes and make some French fries in the oven. Nana made some rice to go along with our fish and chips. She cut up some onions and jalapenos. Chandler is now lighting the oven. It's very dangerous. It scares me every time, but he's got it down. And then I am ready to season our French fries. So this is a few potatoes that I cut up. There's already some oil on them. And I am going to add a little bit of this mesquite, oh I guess it doesn't say mesquite, barbecue seasoning. It's from Wegmans. My sister sent it down for me so we can do things like season our French fries. And then I'm going to add, because there isn't any salt in this, which Not that we need it, but I'm going to add a little bit of Trader Joe's seasoning salt. Alright, so just a little bit more of that seasoning salt. The next thing we're going to do, well, I'll put this in the oven, we're going to do some repollo, como pollo. See? Okay. Alright, I for some reason cannot remember the name of cabbage. I always say lechuga, not lechuga, the other one. Repollo. Because you have to have repollo with your fish and chips. ¿Verdad?
Sí.
Sí. Okay. I'm going to crank that up to the max.
Se llama repollo. Y ahorita estamos haciendo unas cebollitas picantes.
Sí.
Muy picantes y muy ricas.
Sí.
Sí.
So Nana is getting the fish ready to be breaded, and then she'll fry it up. She has these seasoned breading mixtures. And then I thought we needed something to dip the fish in, so I found this. This is, I don't know, pink sauce, and it has pictures of shrimp, so I thought it might go well with the fish and chips. It is from a typical mayonnaise brand around here.
Se lava el pescado con sal y limón.
So with lemon and salt, she's getting the fish ready. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. There's the fish and some onions frying up. I'm going to take a look at the French fries. Oh, you can't see that. Oh, it's so simple.
¿Sientes que huele el pescado frito?
See?
Sí.
Yep, she's asking me if I can smell it. It smells
Rico el
so
olor.
good. Look at how delicious that looks. We flipped the fish. We got the first batch of fries out of the oven. Oh my goodness. It's a high fried food day, but boy does it smell and look delicious. Look at these fries. They look so delicious. Then we're getting a plate ready with some...
Hasta que esté hecho.
Huh?
Hasta que esté servido. Va a quedar muy rico.
Okay.
Sí. Listo.
Y repollo. Necesitamos repollo.
Nos falta. Te lo vamos a poner aquí. Este es de repollo y este es de cebolla. El limón y el tenedor.
There we go. Here is my finished plate. It wouldn't be a complete meal without rice in Latin America.
Rico. Cachimbón, Cristian. ¿La cachimbón?
¿Qué cachibón?
Sí.
Cachimbón.